ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 11-50 इत्यर्जुनं वासुदेवस्तथोक्त्वा। संजय उवाच। संजयः उवाच इत्यर्जुनं वासुदेवस्तथोक्त्वा इति अर्जुनं वासुदेवः तथा उक्त्वा स्वकं रूपं दर्शयामास भूयः। स्वकं रूपं दर्शयामास भूयः। आश्वासयामास च भीतमेनम्। आश्वासयामास च भीतम् एनम्। भूत्वा पुनः सौम्यवपुर्महात्मा। भूत्वा पुनः सौम्यवपुः महात्मा। वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम्। I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः कर्मपदीयाः अन्ये सुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययान् कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः। संजयः उवाच तथा इति उक्त्वा. The word tatha, though avyayam, with iti, which also is avyayam, the phrase tatha iti becomes adjectival of uktva. Vasudevaha Arjunam swakam rupam darshaya swakam rupam bhuyah darshayamas. Mahatma saumyavapuh punaha bhutva bhitam enam cha ashvasayamas. The word Mahatma can be put as an adjective of Vasudeva. In fact, the phrase Mahatma Vasudeva can be the common subject all across 2a, 2b, 3a, 3b, 2a also. Tatha iti uktva. But in 3a, Mahatma and Saumyavapuh are antithetic to each other, which also is relevant. अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यास. संजयः संजय पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. उवाच वच धातोः लिटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम. वच वचं परिभाषणे टू स्पीक टू टेल टू टॉक अदादिः द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी द्विकर्मकः अनिट्. तथा इति उक्त्वा. तथा लाइक दैट अव्ययम्. इति एज सच अव्ययम्. तथा इति so be it. उक्त्वा वच धातोः क्त्वान्तम्. वासुदेवः अर्जुनं भूयः स्वकं रूपं दर्शयामास. वासुदेवः वसुदेवस्य अपत्यम् and any descendant of Vasudeva, particularly Krishna. The sage Kapila also Vasudeveti yam prahu Kapilam Munipunggavam. This is from Mahabharata. Arjunam Arjuna पुल्लिंगम द्वितीय एकवचनम. भूयः भूयस अगेन अव्ययम. स्वकम स्वक वंस ओन सेल्फ सेम विशेषणम. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीय एकवचनम. रूपम रूप फॉर्म काउंटेनेंस नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीय एकवचनम. दर्शयामास दृश धातोः निचः लिटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम. दृश दृशिर प्रेक्षणे. टू सी टू लुक. वादि प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्. कॉजेटिव टू शो. हियर निचः so causative, and in causative the meaning is to show. महात्मा पुनः सौम्यवपुः भूत्वा. महात्मा महात्मन् विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनं. महान आत्मा यस्य सः महात्मा बहुव्रीहि. ग्रेट सोल और ग्रेट सेल्फ. पुनः अगेन अव्ययम. सौम्यवपुः सौम्यवपु विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनं. सौम्यं वपुः यस्य सः सौम्यवपुः बहुव्रीहि. सौम्यं सौम्य माइल्ड विशेषणम्. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनं. वपुः वपु बॉडी अपीयरेंस नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. वपुः उप्यन्ते सर्वदुःखानि. अत्र वप usihi, the body. Also vapus, adjective, vap usi. So vap usi, handsome, beautiful, Vedic. Neuter, body, person. Swaram vapusha svena niyojayishyati. Navam vayam, navam vayah kantamidam vapushcha. Form, figure, appearance. Bhutva, bhudhatoh kvantam. Bhu, sattayam, to exist, to become, to be, to happen. भुआदि प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. सकर्मकः अकर्मकः सेट. भीतम एनम आश्वासयामास च. भीतम, भी धातोः क्तविशेषणं भीत, फ्राइटन. अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. एनम, इदम और एतद सर्वनाम. फॉर बोथ पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम इज एनम. आश्वासयामास, आश्वस धातोः निचः लिटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. आश्वस द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी. टू ब्रीद. सुखमाश्वसन्ति गिरयः आर लाइंग एट ईज. बट causative here. To encourage, comfort, console, cheer up. That is the relevant meaning here. Cha and avyayam. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Sanjaya uvacha, Sanjaya said. Tatha iti uktva, saying, so be it. Vasudeva Arjunam bhuyah swakam rupam darshayamas. Krishna again showed his self-same form to Arjuna. The great soul, Krishna, assuming his gentle form. Bhitam enam ashvasayamasa, consoled him, Arjuna, who was terrified, frightened. Chando Vishleshana. Ityarjunam vasudevastatoktva ekadasha aksharaणि. Ityarju द्वे द्वे eka. Nam vasu द्वे द्वे eka. देवस्त द्वे द्वे eka. Okay. Thoktva द्वे द्वे मात्राः. So द्वे द्वे eka, द्वे द्वे eka, द्वे द्वे eka. ताराज ताराज त त त ग ग गणैः. विध्वंकमाला वृत्तम. स्वकम रूपम दर्शयामास भूयः. एकादशाक्षराणि. स्वकम रू एका द्वे द्वे. पंदर्श द्वे द्वे एका. यामास द्वे द्वे एका. भूयः द्वे द्वे मात्राः. सो यमाता ताराज ताराज यत त ग ग गणैः. किमिदं वृत्तम्. आश्वासयामास च भीतमेनम्. एकादशाक्षराणि. आश्वास द्वे द्वे एका. यामास द्वे द्वे एका. च भीत एका द्वे एका. मेनम द्वे द्वे मात्राः. ततज ग ग गणैः. इंद्रवज्रा वृत्तम्. भूत्वा पुनः सौम्य वपुर महात्मा. एकादशाक्षराणि. भूत्वा पु द्वे द्वे एका. न सौम्य द्वे द्वे एका. वपुर्म एका द्वे एका. हात्मा द्वे द्वे मात्राः. सो ताराज ताराज जभान. ततज ग ग गणैः. इंद्रवज्रा वृत्तम्. अस्मिन् एकादशाध्याये 50तमे श्लोके उपजाति छन्दः. स्वाध्याय, notes of self study. As noted in Vakyamsha Visheshanam, one can consider Mahatma Vasudeva as common subject phrase across the Vakyamshaha tatha iti uktva Arjunam swakam rupam darshayamasa punaha saumya vapuho bhutva bhitam menam ashvasayamasa. But the word Mahatma has two shades of meaning. A great soul, one who is large-hearted, compassionate. B, one who is huge. The meaning B contrasts with Saumya Vapuh. So Mahatma Saumya Vapuh Bhutva makes Vyatyasaha, the figure of speech of contrast. This also is quite relevant in this instance. comes to mind Vamana Avatara. In Aptej dictionary, I get a good note about Balihi, name of a celebrated demon. Yena Baddho Bali Raja Danavendro Mahabala. He was a son of Virochana, the son of Prahlada. He was a grandson of Prahlada. He was a very powerful demon and oppressed the gods very much. They therefore prayed to Vishnu for succor, who descended on earth as a son of Kashyapaha and Aditi in the form of a dwarf, Vamana. He assumed the dress of a mendicant and having gone to Bali, prayed to him to give him as much earth as he could cover in 3 steps. Bali, who was noted for his liberality, unhesitatingly acceded to this apparently simple request. But the dwarf soon assumed a mighty form and began to measure the 3 steps. The first step covered the earth, the second the heavens, and not knowing where to place the third, he planted it on the head of Bali and sent him and all his legions to the Patala and allowed him to be its ruler. Thus, the universe was once more restored to the rule of Indra. Chale se vikramane balim adbhuta vamana. Vishnu is said to guard his door in Patala, is to still guard his door in Patala. He is one of the 7 Chirajivins, immortals. This capability to assume any form and of any size is regarded as a siddhi, superhuman faculty distinguishing gods and demons from men. These faculties are 8. Anima laghima apraptis prakamyam mahima tatha ishitvancha vashitvancha tatha kama avasayita. In another version, Anima laghima chaiva garima mahima tatha ishitvancha vashitvancha praptih kama avasayita. Saints and sages are also said to be performing miracles by virtue of such faculties. The Catholic Church procedures for sainthood require evidence of miracles. The concept of Bhagaha, due to which Bhagavan is Bhagavan, seems more practical. Bhagaha are 6. Aishwaryasya samagrasya viryasya yashasa shriya jnana vairagyayoshchaiva shannam bhaga itirana. The 6 attributes, namely glory, Aishwaryam, in every way, samagras, strength, virya, winning, yashas, shriyaha, richness, jnanam, knowledge, vairagyam, dispassion, are called as Bhagaha. He who possesses these is Bhagavan. One need not aspire for any such faculties. Arjuna did not. One may simply be a Shraddhavan Bhaktaha. Shubhamas.